Hello, hello sa mga kamartes ko. Welcome back to our vlog. Latest chika natin kay Pia Words Back. Eto nga, nag-share siya ng mga photos nila ng kanyang asawa na si Jeremy Jonesy with a caption na "Just the two of us." Yan lang po, pero as of now is hindi sila magkasama kasi may kanya-kanya silang appointment at magkaibang bansa naman. So keep on watching till the end. Dinagdagan natin yan ng kanilang mga photos together. Keep on watching.
I would give my heart to. I found you late in life, unexpected. You said hello and took my breath away. And from that moment on, nothing else mattered than to have you right beside me every day. I